Steps to sharpen a chisel. Inspect the chisel. Check for nicks or damage on the chisel edge. If there are significant nicks, you may need to start with a coarser grit. Set up the honing guide if using. Attach the chisel to the honing guide, setting the correct bevel angle. Usually 25 degrees for primary bevel and 30 degrees for a secondary bevel. Screw to fix the chisel so that the chisel does not move during chisel sharpening. Coarse stone. Start with the coarse stone. Lubricate it with water or oil as appropriate. Place the bevel of the chisel flat on the stone and push it forward in a controlled motion. Fine stone. Finally, use the fine stone to achieve a razor-sharp edge. This step polishes the bevel and removes the finer scratches. Again, ensure the bevel angle is consistent. By following these steps and maintaining a consistent angle and pressure, you can achieve a razor-sharp edge on your chisel, making it highly effective for precise woodworking tasks.